Finally, back again. As I mentioned before, if there's any videos that you'd like to see, please let me know. It could be any of these Burstners behind me, it could be any of these campers beside me, but for now, let's take a look at this brand new 2021 Swift Escape 675. Now, I'm going to cheat here, just so that I get the figures all right for you. So this is a 7.86 metres in length vehicle, and it's 2.31 metres in width. As well as this is a 3.5 ton vehicle. So let's go take a look. This vehicle is a manual. Of course, you have your factory fitted Fiat 16-inch Fiat alloy wheels. Up above you have your full length rule awning and awning light. Now this vehicle comes with external storage, and this is actually in underneath your sofa, which I'll show you on the other side. Down here is your toilet cassette. You have a reverse camera on the back and fittings if you wanted a bike rack as well. And on this side again, you have storage in under your bed, and there's your removable carpets. Let's go inside. So I don't need my hat in here, there's no wind. I may have to go back to my cheat sheet, but just bear with me, there's a lot of spec here. This vehicle comes with Trima heating, but come on up and I'll show you the dash. So you have your multimedia system. This is a DAB radio. You have your cab aircon here, as well as your USB ports and your 12 volt. As I said, this is a manual motorhome, and it comes with cruise control and a speed limiter as well. So this motorhome is really beautiful with its wee finishing touches. Like, you have a little reading lamp here, you know, if you want to just cozy up with a book. You have your lovely sunroof above just to bring in a lot of natural light, and that opens as well, so that's why it comes with a fly screen. We will be fitting a reverse camera on this as well, so that's included. So this is your main living area. This table you're able to move it whatever direction that you want, and it also goes down to make the first and second berth. This is a 4-berth 4-belt, so there are your other 2 belts, and then that pillow just retracts out. If you want to see how this bed is made up, please let me know. Drop a message in the comments and I can do that, not a problem. Let's move back into the kitchen now. So you have your nice large sink, you have your 3 gas hob, as well as your combined oven and grill in there. Down here you have your 3-way fridge with the freezer compartment just up above. And you have your built-in microwave up here as well. Onto the rear of your vehicle, you have your 2 fixed single beds. And as I mentioned, you can access your storage from under here, and they just lift up. Nice little pillows come with this vehicle, and you can switch whatever preference you like. Down into your bathroom, you have this separate shower setup. And that's really everything, folks. If there's anything else that you'd like to know, please let me know. If you'd like to know more about the vehicle, more about another vehicle, drop me a message. You can give me a call, 028 9269 3999. You can email me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can drop a message in the comments. You can message me directly on Facebook. Whatever way you want, go on ahead. And I'll see you in the next video.